So, hi. Today I wake up in the morning and look at my code and see what we have different reference on Apollo. Look, many packages have a different versions. Let's say, particularly to these two different packages, React Apollo and Apollo Client, have a different measure versions, and like we use React Apollo for use query, and we use Apollo Client for Apollo Client, right? So I was thinking about not a different problem, and then I realized maybe I should do a little bit a consolidation of my packages what I'm using. So okay, so I started to investigate, and my first thing was, okay, so Apollo Client have version lower than React Apollo, and so I have to lift this version. So I started to search for this, and what I found here is I started to search about Apollo Client. So here, what do we have here? Is it Apollo Client? So I started to search for another Apollo Client. I'm sorry. What? No, wait. So I started to search for Apollo Client, but I missed up and started to search for another Apollo Client, because yeah, but I should search about for this one here. Okay, so as I said, I messed up. So I was searching for the third stable version, not beta version. I couldn't find it, so that's why because yes, I wanted to have third version of these both packages, and so yeah, so I asked the question through Twitter, and yeah, I got answer. It was so exciting. I never expected to get answer for that. So cool. And the answer was, oh, the question is, so can I use? Do I understand it correct? So that this is package versions of these different packages correspond to each other, so they are compatible. And the answer what I got was like use latest versions, and I was thinking about this, and I didn't understand why, because look, this is documentation, and you have versions here 2.5, 2.6, where am I, and here my package, yeah, and also 3.0 beta version, and I expected that these versions of these packages and all other packages like must correspond to these versions, and I was really bit wondering maybe it should be like this, and so next my version was, okay, maybe I should use different version of my this package. I use it for hooks, right? So I wanted to go back. So I wanted to go back and home package React hooks and version 2.6.8, because in this documentation here, the same version, right? So I found here that hooks I can take it from this package, and I started to search for this package, and here what I see, and I couldn't find version 2 at all. No versions here. So yeah, what should I do? And yeah, and this package, by the way, Apollo Client, I don't know where is it come from. I couldn't find really, because this package what I was searching for is from documentation documentation here 2.6 and client here somewhere for client, yeah, here. And yeah, anyway, this package doesn't have these versions anyway, so my first prompt would be fail anyway. So Apollo client, oh, the Apollo client have to see, I can't find version number 3 anyway. So I couldn't match these packages to each other. I couldn't find the same version of 2 packages anyway. So it's completely failed. So the answer what I got from this guy was just if you want to have compatible versions, you have to use, if you want, like try to use like latest versions, no matter what version of their package, just latest, and all latest packages they should be compatible. This is the answer from this guy, from the comment of the Apollo GraphQL organization. So okay, so the takeaway here is I understood that these versions of here of the like old product here included this beta version here, they don't match to the versions of all these packages here. They don't match absolutely. So this is it's not these versions absolutely, and here. So but because it was so like it was so appealable that it should be, because let's say it was Apollo client, but let's go on different packages like Apollo link package, yeah, and maybe link correspond, I don't know, Apollo servers. Also I had Apollo servers version 2, and here in documentation for server we have also 2 versions here. I don't know, maybe they don't match too, I don't know. So let's back to Apollo client, and what you should do, you can go and yeah, here's a guidance here, API, I don't know, features advanced. Oh, why is it? Yeah, version started from 2.6. This is a migration guide. So they have different packages. They ordered all these packages on this version, and on version number 3 they do restructuring, and yeah, and simply you shouldn't look at this version of these packages. You should look at them like here. You should use different packages. So new version bring maybe different packages what you should use, and by that you use new version. But the version of these packages which could be absolutely different. So basically, if you what I'm using, I don't know, maybe client version 3, maybe the client version 2. I think still version 2, because I have maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, so look at this guide, understand what set of packages you need, look at your project. If these packages installed the latest version, that's you use version number 2.6, let's say, and the same with version 3 and that's it. I don't know. That's all what I could find here. Thanks.